Welcome to our comparison of the Comitalk L7C Pro and the L7C Pro KIT. Both of these gimbals are designed to enhance your video recording experience, but they come with different features and price points. In this video, we will break down their specifications, highlight their pros and cons, and help you determine which gimbal is the right choice for your videography needs. The L7C Pro is priced at $79, making it an affordable option for those looking for a reliable gimbal without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the L7C Pro KIT comes at a higher price of $99, which reflects its additional features. While the price difference is $20, it's important to consider what you get for that extra cost. Both gimbals offer 3-axis stabilization and AI tracking capabilities, but the L7C Pro KIT includes additional features such as a magnetic AI tracker with adjustable fill light and gesture controls. This makes the Pro KIT more versatile for content creators who need more than just basic stabilization. The L7C Pro is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around for casual users. However, the L7C Pro KIT, while slightly heavier, offers advanced usability through its companion app, which provides more shooting modes and features. This could be a deciding factor for those who are serious about videography. In conclusion, the Comitalk L7C Pro is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users looking for essential stabilization features. Meanwhile, the L7C Pro KIT offers enhanced functionality for those willing to invest a bit more for added features. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.